Hello. Hi everyone. Good evening. How are all of you? Machin, good evening. How are you? Rashid, very good evening. Sahel, I am doing good. Rashid, I am doing fine. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Surijit, I am fine. Thank you. Machin, I am fine. Thank you. Where are other students? Is the last class not over yet? Yeah. It's because of the change weather. Actually, the winter season is coming, so it happens. Yeah, feeling fine. I don't like winter seasons, Rashid. I don't like winter seasons because all the we cannot move freely in winters. That's the problem. We have to stay in house because summer is very hot in Dubai. Okay. What about the winters in Dubai? Does the temperature falls below 5 degrees centigrade? Never. What is the minimum temperature in winters in Dubai? Oh, that's great. Okay, that is pleasant. That's good. In India, it falls below 5. Then there is a lot of problem. Okay, Sonober has joined. Sonober, good evening. Can you hear me? I have a plan to go to Delhi next month. Okay. Next month will be fine. It starts in the first week of December or second week of December. The real cold starts. Delhi is very cold. Delhi is also very hot in summers and very cold in winters. Okay. Is the last class over or not over yet? Because only 5 of you have joined. I don't know. Over. Okay, fine. Let's wait for a few more minutes and so that everyone can join and then we can start. Today we are going to learn about quality circles. How many of you have studied this topic before? quality circle. I'm feeling fine, Sagobar. I'm feeling fine. Thank you. Okay, Tijo has joined. Tijo, good evening. How are you? Welcome to IMTS. Tijo, can you hear me? Okay, Shahbaz has joined. Hello, Shahbaz. How are you? Good evening. Welcome to IMTS. How are you doing? Hi, Tijo. Hello, Prabha. Can you hear me? How are you? Good evening. Alefia. Alefia, can you hear me? Okay, great, great. Alefia. Alefia is a new student, I think. So maybe it might be possible that she is facing some issues. Yes, Tijo, I am fine. I am fine. Thank you for asking. Anyway, let's start with the class. Yeah, right. So today we were going to learn about quality circle. It is a way to quality improvement. What are things we can achieve using the quality circle? Some of the objectives are these in any organization. It ensures harmony, effective teamwork, job satisfaction, problem solving capacity, communication, self development, leadership development, safety awareness and housekeeping, productivity, team building, participation, and self discipline. All these things, all these objectives can be achieved with the help of a quality circle. Alethea, can you hear me? I can see your response in the chat box. Okay. Now, introduction. Quality circle were originally associated with Japanese management and manufacturing techniques. The introduction of quality circles in Japan in the post-war years was inspired by the lectures of W. Edwards Deming. He is a statistician for the US government, right? Quality circle is one of the employee participation methods. Rinin, good evening. How are you? Welcome to IMTS. It implies the development of skills, capabilities, confidence, and creativity of the people through cumulative process of education, training, work, experience, and participation. It also implies the creation of facilitative conditions and environment of work which creates and sustains their motivation and commitment towards work excellence. Quality circles have emerged as a mechanism to develop and utilize the tremendous potential of people for improvement in product quality and productivity. So all these points take us in one direction, that is improvement, improving the quality of work culture, improving the quality of skills in employees, right? Improving all the factors. So we can feel that it is a way of improving things. Now, what is its definition? Quality circle is a small group of 6 to 10 employees doing similar work who voluntarily meet together on a regular basis to identify improvements in their respective work areas and using proven techniques for analyzing and solving work-related problems coming the ways of achieving and sustaining excellence, leading to mutual upliftment of employees as well as the organization. Now, what does this paragraph means to say? See, quality circle around between 6 to 12 people, the management makes a group of 6 to 12 people, right? Or a team. They meet on regular basis, right, for a cup of coffee or whatever, so that they all of them gel together work, and all of them work keep in a similar department. Like we can have a quality circle for HR department, we can have a quality circle for marketing department. They have the same working profile. Then when they meet, they discuss their problems, and then they working problems, right? Not the personal problems. Then they discuss about the possible solutions for those problems. In this way, most of the problems get resolved, which benefits the employee as well as the organization. This is the main goal of quality circle. So quality circle is a small group of 6 to 10 employees doing similar work. Similar work means they are in the same department, who meet together on a regular basis to identify improvements. All of us are familiar of our weakness, right? So in a quality circle, they discuss about their weakness and what are the ways, and they find the ways to overcome those weaknesses. It is a way of capturing the creative and innovative power that lies within the workforce. Right? So is the definition clear to you of quality circle? Is it clear to everyone? So we can say that the prime objective of quality circle is to improve the quality of work life and environment, the working environment. Okay. Philosophy. Philosophy related to quality circles. Quality circles is a people building philosophy providing self-motivation and happiness in improving environment without any compulsion or monetary benefits. Now here we have to know who will initiate this. The management of the organization initiates this. They set up the schedule, make the teams, right, and then it is up to the members. Or in some organizations, they choose one person who will head the circle or who will report to the management. Clear, Prabha? It is a good thing. So all of you can try this in your offices. If these things are not happening, all of you can make suggestions to the management if you can do such kind of activity. It represents a philosophy of managing people, especially those at the grassroots levels. Grassroots level means lower level, as well as a clearly defined mechanism and methodology for translating this philosophy into practice and a required structure to make it a way of life. It is bound to succeed where people are respected and are involved in decisions concerning their work life and an environment where people's capabilities are looked upon as assets to solve work area problems. The quality circle philosophy calls for a progressive attitude on the part of the management and their willingness to make adjustments if necessary in their style and culture. Concept. The concept of quality circle is primarily based upon recognition of the value of the worker as a human being, as someone who willingly activizes on his job, his wisdom, intelligence, experience, attitude, and feelings. It is based upon the human resource management considered as one of the key factors in the improvement of product quality and productivity. Quality circle concept has three major attributes. Number one, it is a form of participation management because we can see that the employees are participating together. It is a human resource development technique. Here also all the employees improves within themselves, we can say. Quality circle is a problem solving technique. Also, most of the problems can be resolved because sometimes it happens that the solution does not respect to an individual. But when we sit in a group, it might be possible that some other person has the solution to that problem. The objectives of quality circles are multi-phase. Number one, changing attitude from I don't care to I do care. Continuous improvement in quality of work life through humanization of work. Number two, self-development. Bring out the hidden potential of people. People get to learn additional skills. Number third, development of team spirit. Individual versus team. I could not do, but we did it. Eliminate interdepartmental conflicts. Number four, improved organizational culture, working culture. Positive working environment, total involvement of people at all the levels. Here the employees will also feel that they are involved by the management. Higher motivational level. Their motivation level will be high. Participate in the management process. Training. Appropriate training for different sections of employees needs to be imparted. Without a proper understanding of the real concept of quality circles, both the workers and management might look at this philosophy with suspicion. Each group should know beforehand the commitment and implications involved, as well as the benefit that can be obtained from quality circles. Such training comprises of Number 1, brief orientation program from top management. Number 2, program for middle level executives. Number 3, training of facilitators. Number 4, training for circle leaders and members. So appropriate training is required and the management has to address to the employees about the quality circle before implementing it. Launching the quality circles. Launching the quality circles means implementing it in offices or in organizations. The major prerequisite means the things which one should know before following this quality circle. For initiating quality circle in any organization is a total understanding of as well as complete conviction and faith in the participative philosophy. So it is required from all the employees to participate in quality circles. This is a prerequisite on the part of the top and senior management. The launching of quality circle involves the following steps. Number 1, expose middle level executives to the concept. It means explain the middle level executives about this process and its benefits. How will it benefit them personally? How will it benefit the organization? Right. So all the benefits that I told you earlier. Explain the concept of the employees and invite them to volunteer as members of the quality circles. Motivate the employees to take part in quality circles and also motivate other employees to participate in quality circles. Nominate senior officers as facilitators. So since all of us have a habit or culture of listening to our seniors, right? So that is why many company or organization keep the senior officers as the facilitators. Clear everyone? Any doubts? Form a steering committee. A committee will be formed. Arrange training of coordinators, facilitators in basics of quality circle approach, implementation, techniques and operation. Later, facilitator may provide training to circle leaders and circle members. A meeting should be fixed, preferably 1 hour a week for the quality circle to meet. So, a criteria has been said that the members of the quality circle will meet for 1 hour in a week and discuss about the problems they are facing. Formally inaugurate the quality circle. Arrange the necessary facilities for the quality circle meeting and its operation. All the facilities like where will the meeting will take place, all the snacks, tea, coffee, right? What all other things are required for the meeting, projectors, and so many things are there. So the management has to take care of all these things. Now, what is the step of quality circle? So these are the steps. Number 1 is problem identification. Identify a number of problems. So once the members meet, all of them share their problems and the circle leaders note down all the problems. Then the problem selection. Then the circle leader sets the priority problem, the problems which needs to be addressed first. Decide the priority and select the problem to be taken up first, which are more important. Analyze the problem. Problem is clarified and analyzed by basic problem solving methods. Then the problem will be discussed among the members and they try to find out the logical solution to that problem. Generate alternative solutions. So always a plan B and plan C needs to be there if plan A does not work. So in the same way, if one solution does not work, we need to have an alternative solution. So the circle leader also notes down the alternative solutions to that problem. Identify and evaluate causes and generate number of possible alternative solutions. Select the most appropriate solution. Always go with the best solution which you think, and sometimes there is a conflict that as some members say that one solution is better, some say that other solution is better. In that case, the circle leader do the voting, and then they go with that solution which majority of the members chooses. Prepare the plan of action. Prepare plan of action for converting the solution into reality. Now, once the solution is decided, how to implement that solution, all the steps are being discussed. Prepare plan of action for converting the solution into reality, which includes the considerations who, what, when, where, why, and how of solving the problem. Who will be doing which role, what, when, where, right? Present solution to management circle members. Present solution to management for approval. So before proceeding with the solution, the members have to take the approval of the management and then implementation of the solution. The management evaluates the recommended solution. It is then tested, and if successful, it is implemented on a large scale. First, they run it on pilot basis, and if it is successful, then they do it on a large basis. Okay, now what are the benefits and limitations of the quality circles? Advantages. It increases the productivity, it improves the quality, it also boosts employee morale. It means that it motivates the employees. Disadvantage, inadequate training. Not many organizations have trained people who guide the employees on how to follow the quality circles. Unsure of the purpose. Some organizations are not sure of their objectives. Not truly voluntary. Lack of management interest. Sometimes management does not show interest. Quality circles are not really empowered to make decisions. Here, since the employees cannot take the final decisions by themselves, that is why sometimes they don't show much interest. Conclusion. Quality circles are not limited to manufacturing firms only. They are applicable for a variety of organizations where there is a scope for ground-based solution of work related to the problem. Quality circles are relevant for factories, firms, schools, hospitals, universities, research institutes, banks, government offices, etc. Here, now we will take a look at one case study based on quality circles. So up to now, is it clear to everyone? Okay, now let's take a look at this case study. Can all of you see the PDF file? Okay. we have one organization with the name Alka Industries. Alka Industries is a powder coating and anodizing plant situated at MIDC Nagpur. Nagpur is the city in India. The schematic below explains the process followed at Alka Industries. Anodizing of aluminium products and powder coating of GI and CI sheets is carried out following a demand push approach. The company caters to the supply needs of aluminium window. So they make aluminium windows, paint and other applications requiring anodized surface finish. Alka Industries has prominent customer base. For example, Johnson Lifts, Mahindra and Mahindra, to name a few. Alka Industry also supplies powder coating parts to MSEB and other small scale power units. Name of the organization, Alka Industry. What type of industry it is? Manufacturing, power coating plant, anodizing plant. Finished product, anodizing of aluminum products and powder coating of GI and CI sheets. Number of quality circles meetings held 16. So already they have 16 meetings held, and they have 8 members in a quality circle. We had a one-to-one discussion with the top management of the Alka Industries and have decided to implement the quality circle in the unit. We had so far held 16 quality circles meetings and have formed a team of 8 members for the quality circle. Our approach to problem solving through quality circles. We have decided to follow the PCDA, that is plan, do, check and act, or the problem identification, problem analysis, problem solution and implementation process for our quality circle approach. The same process that I told you. We have formed a group of 8 members for our quality circle with one manager as steering member, and have kept the plant head into the loop. We have come up with the fishbone diagram to improve the overall productivity or quality of the plant. So the main goal is to improve the productivity of the quality. Objective: to reduce gas consumption. Current level of consumption is 8 kgs per hour. Target level of consumption after quality circle implementation. Now let's see. In powder coating, anodizing LPG gas is used for pre-treatment and etching process. Dilute sulfuric acid is heated at 50 to 600 degrees centigrade and consumes gas at 5 to 6 kgs per hour. The figure below shows the cross section of the pre-treatment heater consuming the gas. So this is the diagram, cross section of the heater. Now the first step is problem identification. Fishbone for our quality circle. After discussion with the plant head and after brainstorming meeting with the team members, we have come up with the cause and effect diagram with the problem statement as productivity improvement. So these are the problems: reduce electricity consumption, reduce gas consumption, safety awareness, ultrasonic precision cutting, reduce production delays, anodizing thickness rejections. As the diagram suggests, among various problems, we have zeroed gas consumption reduction case as individual case study in this paper with an independent PCDA approach. These are the brainstorming results. Carbon deposition at the burner. insufficient air at the burner. Residual gas left inside the cylinder. Proper training and awareness of to control the gas consumption. Maintenance of the burner and furnace. Proper loading of the job in the furnace. So they have found out these areas as the main reasons for more gas consumption. We have formulated the above brainstorming points into a fishbone diagram and a Pareto diagram to find out the significant factors which can be targeted to achieve the desired reduction in the gas consumption. You see this is right. Now let's come down. Now after doing the check, what was the final result? Implementation of quality circle led to identification of excessive gas consumption in the furnace due to the reason attributed to deficiency in man, material, method and machine. Each deficiency was handled separately and corrective measures are implemented to optimize the gas consumption in the plant. Conclusion. Quality circle technique proved to be very effective for the problem selected by the quality circle members for the powder coating industry. Optimization of gas consumption in the furnaces led to reduction in maintenance cost, enhancement in reliability and availability of the equipment, enhancement in morale and development of a sense of team dynamics among the employees, which proved to be very beneficial to the employees and the organization as a whole. This was the reference. So this was acknowledgement. Our thanks to the experts in quality circle. Without their guidance, that is all acknowledgement. So this was the case study. So how many of you have followed this case study? Have you understood? Only 2 of you have responded. Now they have given some figures over here as well. This is their target and this is current. Gas consumption rate is 6 kgs per hour. Consumptions per month is 2160. Gas cost per kg is 44. Total cost is this much. So you can go through these details in LMS. I will upload this case study. So this is cost benefit analysis they have done, right? Now they have taken down the readings per day. How much gas consumption is there per day. Now after implementation, gas consumption is reduced, downtime is decreased. This was all interesting. So that is all for today, right? So thank you very much for coming to the class. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye. Take care. Good night, all of you. Thank you, Tijo. Bye, Prabha. So Vijit, thank you very much for coming to the class. Renan, thank you very much for attending the class. Good night. Thank you, Sharp One. Ramesh, thank you very much for attending the class.